Hi, in this video we will learn about 7 most useful formulas in Excel. Okay, we will start with sum. What is sum? If you want to add some values, we will use the formula sum. All the formulas what I am showing here, we can use vertically or horizontally. Like here, say we have 10, 20, 30 and 40. In this cell I can use the formula sum, select the values and close. I will get the result. Or else my data is like this: 10, 20, 30 and 40. Here also I can use the formula sum, bracket, select the values, close, enter. So both way we can use. Okay, first one, sum. What is sum used for? I want to add my values together. Say these are my data. This here I need my result. This is my result column, this is my data column. Data can be anything. Purchase of material you are doing, then that material cost might be, or you are organizing some event, you want to see how many contributions you are getting, whatever the data it is. So we will use the result column to calculate our results. First one, sum. Any formula, if you before you type, you need to use equal to. So equal to sum, sum, sum. Open the bracket. How to open a bracket? Shift 9. Shift 9. Press the shift button, then continuously keep the shift button pressed and select 9 or press 9. You will open a bracket. Select the values you need to add. Select the first one. Click your mouse left button and drag. Here D6 to G6 I am selecting. What is D6? D column 6th row. So this cell name is D6. It is shown here. Here it will show D6. This is E6, F6, G6. Here I am using a formula of sum, that's why it's showing as sum. Otherwise, when you select a cell, it will show the cell name over here. So here I want to add my values of 10, 20, 30 and 40. So I will select the 4 values, then close the bracket. How to close the bracket? Shift 0, enter. You will get the result. Shift 0. I will show you once again. Sum, bracket open, select the first value, click your mouse left button and move your mouse. Then close the bracket, enter. We will get our result. There is another option. There is a auto sum option over here. Auto sum. Select that button. Just select that button and enter. You will get the result. But if you are using auto sum, all the data to be in near columns. If there is a gap in between, it will not take that section or that cell. Then you need to drag it properly and select. I'll show you one example. Let's presume there is no data in this cell. Only 3 data are there. Here there is no formula. I'm using alt sum or equal to sum symbol at the right top corner. Click, it will only select these 2 values because here there is no data. Then I can drag it. Take your mouse, it will come like this, black color arrow with both ends there is an arrow mark. Left button click and drag, enter. Okay, so sum, we have learned 2 tricks or 2 methods. Equal to, type sum, open your bracket, select the data and close, or else use a button from the right top corner, auto sum button. Next formula, let's add 20 again, result is 100. Next formula, product. It is used to multiple the values. We will add here addition of values. We will write the purpose. Addition of values. Product. equal to product bracket open shift 9, select the 4 values, select the first value, press your mouse left button, keep pressing and drag, close shift 0, enter. Product. Here what happens? Multiplication of values. Multiplication of values. Multiplication of values. 10 into 20, 20 into 30, 10 into 20, and whatever the result, that is 200. 200 into 30, 6000. 6000 into 40, we'll get this result. I'll show it here. 10 into 20 into 30 into 40. We'll get the result. Product formula. Next formula. Average. ABERAGE. Average. When we type a formula, Excel will automatically show the formula here. You can double click and select. That is one option. Or else completely type it. Average. Bracket open. Select the 4 values. Bracket close. 25. What we are getting is result of average of these 4 values. That is 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 divided by 4. Why 4? There are 4 values. So average. We'll get the average. Next formula, max. MAX max. This is short of maximum. It will show you the biggest value from the data we are selecting. Open your bracket, select the 4 values, close, enter. Max, the biggest value. Here 40 is my biggest value. Result is 40. Maximum value. Type here maximum value. Here average of values. Next one, minimum. It is MIN. Open your bracket, select the values, close. It will show you the minimum value. Here 10 is my minimum value. That will I get. I will correct it here. Minimum value. Minimum value. Say here this is only 4 data, so it is easy for us to visually see this is 10 is my minimum value. There are maybe 20 entries, so 25 entries. You are organizing an event, or you are taking fund for a charity from many people. People are send you money, different value monies are sent to your bank account. So you will download the bank account statement. You will use the minimum formula. So you will came to know what is the minimum amount paid by a person. Also you will use a maximum formula, MAX. You will get the maximum value paid by a person. That's the usage of minimum and maximum formula. Next one, count. 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 Open the bracket, select the values and close. Count. How many? 4. As I just said, there is a bank statement which is having 20 entries or 25 entries or more entries. You don't know the number of entries. You want to see how many people are contributed for your event or this charity requirement. We will use count formula. Count. To count the total contributions received, or how many persons have been spent the money or transferred the money. To see that, use formula count. But the problem of count formula is, if it's a number, then only the count formula will work. If it's an alphabet, it will not count. See, I changed 30 as alphabet. So here the result became 3. I'm again changing it as B. Result became 2. Only the numbers it will take. So solution for that is count A. Count A. What happens? Whether it's a number or an alphabet, an alphabet or a number, it will count. As far as there is a value in a cell, it will count and give us. That's count A. So we will write here count numbers. Count numbers. Count numbers or alphabets. It's not necessary to be only alphabet. Even if it's a word, it will count. Any word or any alphabet or any number, it will count and give the result. Thank you so much. We will come with another video. In that we will discuss about the formatting tool.